What is up, YouTube family? Garrett back with another video. Today we are going to go out and do some retail arbitrage, but first I have this FBA shipment I have to put out for the UPS driver. Then we're gonna head to some stores and see what we can find. If you're new to the channel, I'm a full-time Amazon seller, so if that's something you're interested in learning more about, be sure to join the family and subscribe to the channel. But let me get this put out front for UPS and we won't waste any more time. We'll get out there and hit some stores. Let's go. Alright guys, just pulled up to Ross. Haven't been to this Ross location in months. Haven't really been doing too well at Ross in general, although I haven't really hit Ross that much in the last few months. So hopefully we can go in and kill it. Don't have my expectations set too high, but gotta stay positive. Hopefully we find some good stuff. Let's go on in. Alright guys, so I tried recording in the store, but the audio just turned out like crap, so I'm going to do a voiceover. It'll just probably turn out better. First I started off in the kids section, mostly kids apparel. I came across these hats right here, ended up picking them all up, only making a small $2.73 profit after buy costs and shipping them in. But these sell fairly quickly. They actually sell really quickly, so I decided to grab them all. Next, I started looking at the kids apparel. Guys, don't sleep on kids apparel. If you're ungated in these brands, I actually do better with the kids clothing most of the time at like Ross, Marshalls, TJ Maxx. There tends to be less competition. There's a lower buy cost most of the time, and there tends to be a larger profit. So definitely check out the kids clothing at your local Ross, Marshalls, TJ Maxx. As you can see, these shorts, $7.99 buy cost, $7 profit. Not bad, I'll take that. Next we found these Nike basketball shorts, $9.99 buy cost after all fees and shipping them in. We're gonna profit about $5.50. Checked out the toys, there just wasn't really much at all. Let me know down below in the comment section if you guys have been finding any good toys at Ross. Mine have been slim pickings. So yeah, as you guys can see, there's just not a whole lot of stuff to choose from. Ross doesn't usually have the best toys year round, but definitely in Q4 they have some great stuff. Found this Peppa Pig set, ended up picking them up. I'm probably gonna sit on it a while and wait to see if the price goes up, but as of now it's a $3.50 profit. Moving on to the hat section, sometimes I find some winners in here, mostly Nike and Adidas hats. None of these ones were actually selling for profit. Also find some Hurley stuff, so definitely don't skip past the Hurley brand. I sell their shorts, their hats. It's hit or miss, but sometimes you'll find some good ranked ones. They had a bunch of nice Puma stuff, it's just they weren't on Amazon, and if they were selling for barely any profit at all. Next, I moved on to like the sports gear. I always used to sell these shin pads, mostly from Adidas and Nike. Sometimes they bring in profit, sometimes they don't. These brought in like $3 profit. But if you have ever tried getting the stickers off of those and that material, it's very hard, so I ended up passing on them. Next, I started looking through these socks. I sell a ton of socks, so definitely don't sleep on the socks, especially those 3-pack Under Armours that I picked up a few of them. $5.99 buy cost after all fees and shipping them in. I should profit around $5. Always check out the sandals as well, especially with it being summertime. Unfortunately, these Puma sandals didn't have an actual Puma tag, so I couldn't look them up. But I sell a ton of slides year-round actually, and they just sell well and they're great profits. So definitely check out slides. Slides also do well on like eBay and Mercari. So definitely check out those platforms as well. Started checking out the clearance clothing section. There definitely wasn't anything really to scan. It was all just generic branded stuff. Didn't find anything in like the underwear section. I do sell quite a bit of underwear, surprisingly. People pay pretty good money for it. Unfortunately, I didn't find any at this Ross, but definitely don't be afraid to go through and scan the underwear. Next, I found this pretty cool microphone for $14.99. It was selling for $42. Not sure about that rank, and I couldn't check Keepa, so I passed on it. But definitely, if you want to do the research and maybe find some at your Ross, if they're selling well, definitely be on the lookout. I found these Under Armour men's shorts for $16, going to profit about $8.50. Found these Reebok men's shorts for $10, going to profit about $9. And the real score of the day came with these red women's one-piece swimsuits. I picked them up for like $17.99 or something. They're all going for over $55. So easily going to make about a $25, $30 profit on each one. And I picked up 5. And the last item I came across for the day was this black on black Nike women's swim long sleeve t-shirt. Alright guys, hopefully you can see me good from that angle. It's kind of hard to tilt this up on the truck here, but I'm going to go over what I got. We spent a total of like just under $200. Picked up a bunch of these kids Nike hats, only making like $3 profit on them. But spend $7, make $3 profit. I got like 6 of them. So definitely, they're quick sellers. I've sold tons of these hats in the past. So I just picked them up for the fun of it. Make an extra $20. Picked up some of these Under Armour 3-pack socks. I'm gonna make at least $5 a pack on them. I've been selling these for years, these Under Armour 3-pack socks. Some of the Under Armour in there, for me, I found a ton of it, but it's weird. Like some listings, Amazon lets me sell Under Armour, other listings it's gated for whatever reason. Seems like it's mostly gated most of the time when Amazon's on the listing, so that just goes to show you. Picked up these kids Nike shorts for $9.99. These are bringing in at least $10 profit, I believe. If I remember, I'm going to be popping up all of the Amazon Seller Central app like profit calculations as through the videos. You've probably already seen it. But picked up a bunch of these red Nike swimsuits. Guys, don't sleep on these like one-piece swimsuits, especially Nike ones if you can sell them. I don't know if these do good on eBay. You could definitely check eBay as well, but I've sold these every year, and some of them I make 30, 40, 50 bucks profit on. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of these swimsuits. So gonna make, as of right now, the price is right now 30 bucks each, so 150 profit on those. And I say the prices of right now just because Amazon's kind of like, picture it as like a stock market. Prices go up and down. By the time these hit Amazon's warehouse, the price could go up, the price could go down. So that's why I say the price as of right now, these are going to bring in $30 profit. They could bring in no profit, you never know. But that's what I mean when I say as of right now. Got these kids Under Armour shorts for $7.99. Can you see that? These were bringing in, I think, like $8 profit or something like that. Those always sell good. Definitely always check the kids sportswear. I do the best with kids sportswear at like Ross, Marshalls, TJ Maxx. They just have a ton of it, and it seems like there's just not as much competition until after this video. Got these Reebok shorts for $9.99. These, I usually sell them for around 30 bucks, so make like a quick $7-8 profit. What else did I get? Got this woman's like Nike black on black like swim shirt for $16.99. Only gonna make $8 on these, but again, Nike swimwear stuff. Summer's here. Gotta pick up those seasonal items, keep them in stock. What else did I get? I still got a bag over here. Picked up this Peppa Pig toy. Only gonna bring in like $4 or $5 profit. I sell these all day. Always, if you see Peppa Pig in these like little square boxes, these little sets, if you hold on to these and they don't have them at Ross anymore and you just sit on them, the price starts creeping up. So right now I could make like $3-4 profit, but I guarantee you if I held these for a few months, even all the way till Christmas, like sometimes I've sold these for like up to $40, $50, $60 for like these little Peppa Pigs, just depending on which one it is. So quick tip for you guys on those, I'll probably just sit on it for a long time and wait, and then the rest of this stuff is just some more of those Nike Kids hats. So that was the haul for this Ross location. Not bad, actually pretty happy with it. We should do well, but that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Again, if you're new to the channel, definitely consider joining the family by smashing that subscribe button. Also, if you guys could do me a huge favor, if you're enjoying the content, and hit that like button, it really helps my YouTube channel and these videos get pushed out in the YouTube algorithm. But that's gonna wrap it up for this video, and I'll see you on the next one.